Okay, so we've been...
What's that sound? On the plane. On the plane.
Yes, we were on a plane and we've been in Nelson for 2 days, but we haven't really done anything. I bought a set of drawers for my niece, who is yet to be born, and painted them with some chalk paint, and I'm going to finish that tonight. But now we're at my sister-in-law's baby shower. It's really, really bright, so I can't really, it's going to look a bit awkward. But yeah, we're at my sister's baby shower now, and I'm taking photos of the whole day, and she's had some surprise visitors, and it's all really cool. And as you can tell, hi darling, hi darling, River's behind me. So this is our day, and I think maybe we'll do some op shopping over the next couple days, not today obviously, but on Monday and Tuesday, and see what we can find, and yeah, just get some more stuff for the baby together, and it'll be really cool. So that's all we're pretty much doing today, and I'll see you soon. Hi, River.
Hi, Baba.
Yeah.
We need another round.
You run straight into the wall. One, Bryce is drinking Johnny Bunny.
Rapper, Daniel, Ronnie. Catherine. Tina, Mum and Dad. Big Dane. Peter.
He's like necklace. Oh.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, they're real nice.
They black out.
No, you don't use that with the controller. Oh, like how when you walked in. Huh? Oh, cute. Oh, it's so soft. You like this, Corsa?
Oh.
Okay, so I was going to do a clean day today, but my head is pounding from yesterday, and I don't really want to take a hit on just being even worse, which I might not be. Well, we're not even in focus, but yeah, so today I've got a headache, so I don't know how much I'm going to film, because I won't be very happy to be with, so yeah. Thank you. Oh my goodness, that's huge. But quickly, I'll just show you Daniel's hot chocolate, because it's ginormous. It's like this, just massive. It's like, it's huge. It's huge. Yeah, so anyway, I'll film if my head isn't too sore, but I also have to charge my camera because I lost the charger. So.
Bye, Hayley.
Bye, Hester.
Night, Mum.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Thomas Percy.
Thomas, Percy, and Charlie. Actually, it's Charlie, Donald, and Percy.
Are you Thomas?
Bye, River. Bye, River. Bye, River.
You say bye, Riv.
Bye, River. See you later.
Are you blowing a kiss? You blow another kiss.
Bye.
Blow a kiss. There you go.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye, darling.
See you, Mum.
Yeah, so it was a really big day. But I've got this second coat on, which I'm really happy about, because it's even dry. Wow. Because I was really worried I wouldn't have enough. There was just you know, the tiniest bit left, and I needed to make it last, and hopefully, oh no, that's right. Yeah, so anyway, it's all done, but I'm really tired. But I still have another thing to do, and then I'll sand the edges of that tomorrow. Yeah, I'll just sand along the edges, and then I also have a wax to put on top, and then it should be done. Oh, and I'm replacing these handles because they're a bit wobbly and rusty with some ceramic hand painted ones, and they'll look really pretty and bring a pop of colour in. And then all the colours in the room are this and an orange, so like a turquoise and an orange. They're my favourite colours. But we're going on the airplane again. Hey, yeah. The kids, well, River mostly, just loves the airplane. This morning he woke up and he goes, "I've gone plane, fly away, I see clouds." So yeah, he's very excited. So it was probably a very boring vlog. I don't even know how much I got. But it was a very fun trip for us.
Good morning everyone, and welcome on board your Jetstar flight JQ370 through to Auckland. Your captain this morning. If you're travelling with infants and young children, please take care when lowering the armrest in the down position. For a safe and comfortable journey, guys, please know that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes are not permitted throughout the flight, including inside the lavatories.
Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. What come?
You singing too? Bum bum bum. Da dum. Ba da dum.
Da dum. Jack sits back, collects his thoughts for a moment, brushes his hair, does his best James Dean. Well, they're Diane, let's on to the city. Diane says, baby, you ain't missing a thing. Jack said, oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, life goes on, said, long after the thrill of living is gone. Walk on. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. Oh yeah, life goes on long after the thrill of living is gone. A little ditty about Jack and Diane, two American kids doing best they can. Bow, bow, chicka chicka bow, bum bum bum, ba-dum, ba-da-dum. Ah.
Oh, it's so funny.
Ba-dum, ba-dum.
He's
Yeah.
just like, oh yeah!
Yeah. Probably because my voice is like doing the really loud. loud.
Yeah, he just starts screaming like, he's like, I'm singing too!